Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I am giving you a tutorial on how to repair a frayed shirt collar. I think it's a pretty simple thing to do, but the video is mostly step by step, but not exactly. I think you'll be able to understand and figure out exactly what it is, what my process is for doing this. Obviously, if you have any questions, leave a comment, let me know. But go ahead and watch the video, and I hope it helps somebody out there. So with this shirt, what I'm going to attempt to do is to fix this collar. You see it's all completely frayed here. So now I've gotten the collar separated from the shirt. I've attached the old collar to the fabric I'm going to use. It's just a piece of fabric that I already had at home, and I've just attached this or pinned it to this, and I'm going to cut this out and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance because that is what the original collar has. Here the fabric is attached to the collar with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So here you see that I've sewn this in place, and I've already pressed it down, so now it is flat over the frayed edge of the original collar. So that's just the additional fabric that I used to replace the frayed part of the collar. So now here is the new front of the collar. This used to be the back side of the collar. That's why there's no fraying on this side. I did the top stitching here, and now this is going to be the underside of the collar, and this is the piece that I attached. And so now I'm going to try to reattach this, and we will see how it goes. The new collar is attached. This is the underside of the shirt now, and this is now the inside collar where the tag is. This is the inside of the shirt now. So all I did was take it off, flip it. I added this piece on to cover up where it was really badly frayed. And so now there is this collar. So that's it. That's today's video. I hope it was helpful. As I said at the beginning, if you have any questions about anything, just leave me a comment below. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a new video. So that's it for today, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.